Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing the new Maniology box of joy. Just received it. So excited to share this one with you. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, in my reels, I shared their box of magic and it was 13 surprises in that box. And I think they may still have it on their site. If you're wanting to see what came in that box, just go over to my Instagram. It'll be down in the description of this video so you can find my Instagram easily. But really, the best stamping plates and polishes. So if anybody ever messages me and asks where are the best ones to buy from, I always tell them Maniology, my favorite. And their boxes are really worth the value. They have a lot of great products in these boxes. And I wanted to share this one with you. So this is a spoiler alert. I'm going to share everything all at once this time. Whereas the last box, I did it daily. Today, I just want to look at it. I'm so excited myself to see what's in here. I haven't looked at it yet. So we're going to do that together. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, then stick around. I should let you know as well, I have a 10% off code for Maniology. It's up on the screen, so definitely use that code to get 10% off if you're interested in purchasing this box. So we'll just look at it quick here. It says fa la la. I love the packaging. Christmas, of course, and on the back, it just tells you where you can get nail art ideas from, and you can share and tag them. And on the back, so there's a bit of oil on here. I just have oil on my hands, so it didn't come like that. And there is 12 surprises in this one that we'll be looking at today. Also, the link for this box will be down in the description of this video. Really cute on the inside. So it's Merry Xmas Maniology. So this is the countdown book. I love that they have these. This is day one. I'm not going to read all this to you right now, and it's really cute. So when you open each day, then you can look at the book and read what it has to say under the number. Really a cute idea. And there are all 12. And then I like at the back, it tells you how to do the manicure, which is really good. This one was a layering stamp. And then it tells you what's in every package. Carrot tips. Really good book anyways. And your glitter instructions for your nail. So there you go. That's the book. And they also give you festive stickers. That's really cute. So let's take a look. Love their paper they have in here. Winter theme, and it says Maniology on it. So I'm going to find number one. Looks like the first one. I'm going to move this aside and then we'll take a look at each one. So number one looks like a stamping plate. Jolly stamping plate. Oh, love it. Lots of snowflakes on this one. I like the fact they have the little wreath as well and the little Christmas balls and all the snowflakes. Wow, I could use this one a lot already. My clients will love this. So that was number one. So number two. So this is number two, and it's their stamping art polish. Again, I can't say it enough, the best stamping polish out there. Let's take a look. Oh, beautiful blue. It's kind of shimmery blue for Christmas. How perfect is that? And this one is called Twinkle Toes, B497. And number 3. Oh, nice. So we've got some cuticle oil, essential cuticle and nail oil, all natural ingredients. And then it's got some things on the back telling about it and how to use it. And I'll just open it up so you can see it better. It's a really nice bottle. So this one's called Zesty Citron and it's 10 mils. Love the bottle. It smells really nice. Really cute idea. So number 4, another stamping plate. This one's M416. And how cute is that? So we've got some layering stamps here. I love them, and all the lights here. Oh yeah, my clients are gonna absolutely love these. And some bulbs, how cute is that? So you can layer the bulbs. Really fun plate as well. So number 5. Oh, perfect. So we have another book. The Box of Magic had one too. And I love these books. And it says Maniology right there. Just so cute. This is a Christmas one, of course. And you get a lot of sleeves in here. And they have the protective paper in here right now. But you do get a bunch of sleeves to put the plates from this box in. Such a great idea. And then, of course, it has the clasp. Just perfect. Number 6 is that looks like it's going to be a stamping polish. Yes. Oh, the perfect red for Christmas. Kind of a shimmery type red. So pretty. And this one is called a Rudolph. Good name. B496. Love it. Isn't this fun? I love this box. Number 7. So number 7 is another stamping plate. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So we have some layering stamps again. Love the gingerbreads. And you can even do a big gingerbread man or a girl. Oh my goodness, so cute. Love these plates, Maniology. You guys did a great job with these plates. They're adorable. Even the trees and the stockings and this little house. So cute. So number 8 is the stamper and the scraper. And you got to have one of these, of course. So I will open it and show you. I love it. They did it in green. How cute is that? It says Maniology on it. They have the softest, squishiest stampers. And of course the scraper matches. So cute. Number 9. Shows right there, number 9. So this is number 9, and it says here, hope you can see that, it says Maniology. This is so pretty. So on one side, it's a cleanup brush, which you'll always need, especially when you're stamping. And I like the lid they have for it. And then on this side, it's a pencil stamper. It's a tiny, I don't want to knock the stamper out of there. It's a tiny, soft little stamper. How cute is that? I've never seen anything like it. I just love it. So yeah, that was number 9. Number 10, looks like another stamping polish. Of course, green, a perfect green for Christmas, and it's kind of a shimmery green too. And this one is For Sure B495. How pretty. And we are on number 11. So this is number 11. So I'm not going to open it because you can see here they give you a really beautiful gold, kind of holographic type glitter, I'd say. Very, very pretty. It does tell you in the book how to apply it. I did see that, so that's nice. And then the last one in this box is number 12. Let's see what this stamping plate looks like. This one is M419, and some more layering stamps. How cute. The Christmas trees, stockings, like the little mitts, and it has some wording to Merry Christmas, winter season, Noel. How cute. And this layering one too. I don't know if you've ever seen layering plates. So what you do, if you haven't, I should tell you. So what you do is you do one color here and then stamp it, and then you can go over it with another color on this one, and then you stamp in that first one, and you have some nice layering. I love layering plates. I'm glad they came out with a bunch for Christmas. They are so cute, as you see. So those were the 12 surprises in the box. I absolutely love this box. So worth the money. So many great stamping plates and polishes. Perfect Christmas nails with this one. I want to thank Maniology for sending me the box of joy to share with you. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this one. Let me know which is your favorite stamping plate and polish. And if you are going to purchase this one, again, I have that 10% off code, so make sure you use that. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.